So numbering 1 through 12. And what I want you to do is to make a guess as to what the angle measure is of each of those angles. Now I put the protractor up here so you kind of help you with your guess. But 1, 2, 3, 4, just write down what you feel is the angle measure of each of those things. So my favorite, start writing down 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't need to be a blank sheet of paper. Let's just blow it using new sheet of paper. That's fine too. But just give me a guess as to what you think those angles are. Well, you don't have to see the protractor. That's okay. It's just up there. You don't have to see it. It's just a reminder. You just have to see the angles. I don't know if that'll help. It's just not all that clear. Your distance. There's the. So, when we measure these angles, we need to line it up, first of all, here with the bottom. And so we're trying to hit that right there where the vertex is. Now, because this line isn't very long, we have to extend it to make it a little easier to measure. We'll go to there, say. And when I extend it out, right, you're looking at it and you're thinking, hopefully, you remember from middle school that that's an acute angle. That's a small angle. And so it's going to be the small numbers. It's not going to be 160 and 170. It's going to be, 10 or 20. And so I've got 10, 15, 16, 17 degrees. Anybody guess 17 degrees? Anybody guess something close to that? 25, that's pretty close for the first guess. We'll take that. Okay. 17 degrees. 17 degrees. So, go to the next one, see how we're doing there. Of course, it's new. So we're there. Again, we're lining it up with the vertex. You want to make sure it's flat right along here. Exactly flat. It might be a little bit high. Again, we're going to extend it. I wasn't a great job of extending, but I guess best I could do with my finger there. So again, it's an acute angle. It's a small angle. So it's going to be between the 30 and the 40, not the 140 and the 150. So it's going to be 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 36 degrees. Anybody come close on that one? Or maybe hit it? 40. 40 is not bad. 35. Wow, that's really good. That's really good. I'm going to move, oops, sorry, I'm not going to move anything, I guess. Let me move this down here just a bit. And let's move these dudes down so I can measure them a little better. So, again, place it on the corner. Now, I'm not only doing this just to have the guessing, but I'm also expecting you to be learning a bit about how to place a protractor when you finally get one in your hands. And if you don't know how to do it, when I finally get to this point, I might say, guess what? Go online and go view the amazing little recording that I'm doing right now, and it'll hopefully explain it to you. So we're going there, extending this out. Yeah, that was a pretty good one. And it's going to be a little bit above 50, maybe 51 degrees, it's looking like. So 40, 50, just a little bit above 50. Looks kind of like, if I had to guess, I'd say 51. And we'll go with that. So that's going to be 51 degrees. I'll just do this time. So that's going to be 51 degrees. I'm not sure how well they can hear me when I'm not. The microphone, I think, is in this thing. So if you were watching this video, you might not really hear anything. That's why I'm writing so much down. So we come over here to the last one. Anybody get 51, by the way? 50? 50? 60, yeah. That's not bad. It's a little off. It sounds more like one of my guesses. I'm really not, I actually, when I do this, I'm pretty bad at it. I don't know why. So there it's at the thing. I never get very close. Again, it's got to be along the line here. It's got to be right along this bottom area. I'm drawing it in, even though obviously you're not going to draw that in. It's still not past 90 degrees. That was bad. Sorry about that. Let me see if I can do this Command Z. Command Z removes the last thing you did, so that's a helpful thing I didn't realize. It's Command instead of Control. If you use like Control C and Control V on your regular computer, it's Command C and Command V. So that looks like 75, pretty much exactly. Anybody 75? Ooh, that's the best so far today. And that's on your first one, so we're expecting better things now. So 75 degrees for that one. Let me write that in, 75 for the recording. And we'll stop the recording. Oops, where'd the recording button go? I don't even see it anymore. Oh, there it is. That's